Oh, there were a lot of good memories. What should I say? When I think about memories, I think about what we, especially what we created.
I am very honored to be Coimbra Group alumni now. It impacted my further international mobilities, definitely. Since I had a really nice, pleasant experience with the first mobility program, then I was encouraged to apply for another mobility programs. So yes, very, very positive.
Coimbra Group universities can enjoy the support they have from colleagues in other universities, that they know each other, they can discuss openly with each other.
You know, everyone else has their CV, they can say, oh, I'm really good at communicating, but it's great to be able to have something, some international level prize to say you are good at communicating.
Friendship, collegiality, family. Really, the Coimbra Group, alongside its professional value, alongside its institutional value, alongside its policy value, is really, really a very, very warm and open community.
I believe that Coimbra Group now is really seen not just as an association, but really embodying all what academia is made for, and how this is serving Europe overall and also the citizens.
Well, we had to use a lot of telex and fax, which was, of course, the things we could use in those days. But still there was this same energy that you wanted to collaborate.
We were lucky that the European Commission was about to launch the Erasmus program, and we decided that we should play a role in that because it was a new opportunity, and by offering new opportunities you can better succeed than when you only have to beg cooperation.
Happy birthday, and I hope that you have a lot of work to do, right? So that's not nice in a birthday, but I am super optimistic that you will continue to thrive in this higher education environment and to be a key player in European society.